Hi, beautiful friends. I am coming on today. I want to go live and I want to share some words of wisdom to everybody who this touches. My office is under renovation right now. Funny story. My daughter wants the basement office as her room. So I am in my kitchen right now sharing words of wisdom. Doesn't matter where we do it. I could walk outside and do it. What I want to remind each and every one of you is that all the power lies in your mind. Everything that you are working to create in your reality starts as a seed of thought in your mind. And it starts as, having that initial thought and then asking yourself, how can I bring that into reality? What steps do I need to take? What type of embodiment of myself, my energy, my being do I need to do? So if you're feeling frazzled and if you're feeling out of sorts or depressed or anxious, you're not in a state to manifest anything super positive in that moment. So take a time out and learn to calm yourself so you can come back into that manifestation state, that zero spot, that zero moment in your life, the spot between the in-breath and the out-breath. Learning to relax your nervous system will change your life. Because when your nervous system is relaxed, your mind is much more quiet. And when your mind is more quiet, you can tune in to the infinite wisdom that's flowing in and around you all the time. When we have a noisy mind, a fear-based mind, an anxious mind, we are listening and tuning into streams of frequency telepathically moving around us in the system, and it's like static in our head. And manifestation is a lot more difficult in that sense. It's not impossible, and I'm never going to tell anybody it's not, but you're less likely to check your thoughts. So manifestation 101, creation 101 is knowing your thoughts, your emotions, and your desires and bringing them together. And showing up, then coming forward and showing up as a version of yourself that already has that. So let's take, for example, I want to create, I'll use a real example. So my band just released a new song, Cosmic Horizon, streaming on all platforms. I wanted to be a musician my whole life. Fundamentally, I'm not that good. I'm not like some amazingly well-trained musician. However, I was like, I'm going to do this and I'm going to start a band. Didn't know how, it just started to happen. I played my guitar, I learned more, I worked on my vocals, and you know what? Then people started coming towards me that were musicians and had the same passion. And you know what? We formed a band. And, we've lost people along the way and brought new people in. But if you have that want and that desire to become something, surround yourself, but with like-minded people. So we recorded a new single. Our band sort of broke up last year, and then we called in some new people and they showed up. The right people showed up. We created a new song. We've relearned all of our old songs, and we would just release a new song. So it's creating that space to do so. If I sat around demeaning myself, being like, I'm not good enough, oh my gosh, I could never be on stage, I could never play live, I wouldn't be here on stage with super talented musicians playing music, recording music. In a million years, I never thought I would release music on streaming platforms or on radio, but it's coming. Like the radio is coming, the radio play, the bigger shows are coming, and I feel it. So if you feel these things in your energy and your soul is calling you to do them, become a version of yourself that's there. So what did I do? I showed up to my practices. I practiced. I started to tell myself that I actually am good. I started to believe these things. And you know what? You don't have to be the best and perfect. You just need to know that you can do it and have soul and have faith. You know what? I never thought a million years ago I'd grow a community of over 1 million people. But look at us now, like the collective has come together. When your soul purpose is calling you and these manifestations are calling you, if you're fixated on a path in front of you, you're going to miss all this beauty that's coming in from side to side, these opportunities, all this greatness. So stop that. Take your blinders off. Calm that nervous system and become one with the energies that be around you, whether you use the word God to describe it, source, universe, creator. It's all universal energy flow. It's all the energy that creates our multiverse, our universe, our planets, our stars. And you are one with it. You have the same neutrinos. You have the same energy streams the same elements as the stars that are burnt out. You know, you are one with the stardust. So when you start to realize that and you have that power, you begin to realize you can create whatever you put your desire into and your focus into. Show up every day. Say you want to lose weight, you want to feel healthier. Show up as that version of yourself. Eat healthier. Exercise more. My cat. You know, take care of your body. Sleep at night. Go to yoga. You know, choose vegetables over sugars. Just, you have to do the hard work. And that doesn't mean you have to work hard all the time, but we have to get ourselves into a momentum state where it's with us all the time. Anyway, I could talk about this for months and months and months and hours and hours and hours because I'm so passionate about soul purpose and manifesting and creating in our life. But I'm going to leave it there. So these are some steps for you to start creating. I love you. Peace out.